To draw pigeon, we'll begin by drawing a circle, and inside this circle we'll add another tiny circle and another circle inside this circle. This time we'll draw the beak. After drawing the beak, we'll draw the neck of the pigeon using two parallel lines. Then we'll divide the parallel lines and using a curve or a semicircle, we'll draw the body, and after this we'll connect. Similarly, we'll draw inside the body the wings, and finally we'll add two legs and the digits. This time we'll start coloring. I'll be using black or grayish color for the pigeon. If you don't have gray color, use black color. And next, using light blue color, we'll shade the neck will be bluish, and the beak will be slightly grayish white.